Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got from Dior website. I've been telling Antonio that I've been wanting this, so he told me just go ahead and get it. So thanks, babe, for getting this for me. So let's see what it has. Like, let's appreciate first the box, guys. I got it barely like 2 days ago. They came on mail. It shipped really quickly, like the third day or fourth day already here. So yeah, they have pretty fast shipping at Dior. This is the second time that I order from them on their website, and I love their rewards program. I always try to log into it, and because they have this reward program that if you purchase a certain amount, you get free items, and as you build it up, you can they have like a little what is it called, loyalty program that if you purchase, like at the end of the week for that month, you can enter your points and earn items from them. So that was pretty neat. So yeah, so let's see what I got from the Dior website. Look how the packaging, guys, the presentation. This is a very sturdy box. I don't know if you guys can see, like, this my hand right here. And then say hi, mommy. Hi. There you go. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me adjust the camera, guys. Okay, so right here is the card that comes in it, because you can actually, like, it has an option that you can actually put a message to yourself or to anybody that you might gift this for. So I always like try to put a little message there. This is my second time, so actually, something I have like as a memory. And since this was from Antonio, he told me to put that in the message. And then this is just going to be the invoice. Look how the presentation, guys. I don't know if this pays it justice, but it looks so cute. And there's just the receipt, the items that you can probably get from them, their newest collections and stuff. They send you. And I have the little mini of this one. I tried this one in a sample. And yeah, and this one, they always usually they give them like on the samples, because you can actually choose 2 sample sizes, so whatever they have you to add on the end when you check out, you can get that for free. The lipstick usually. Look at the packaging, guys. Look at that. There's the paper by itself. It's good quality, and I love that it has that. I hadn't opened it because I was waiting to make this video so I can show you guys in case you guys are interested in buying from the Dior website, so you guys can see how the packaging comes, because I was surprised the first time that I ordered from them. I was like, damn, that's nice. So I got some free items. I think right now they have a code, Miss You 22 or something like that. That's how I got some freebies. So this is actually what I ordered that I really wanted. See, this one is the Dior Addict Beauty Set. Look at that. See, I'm putting more towards the middle so you guys can see. Look at the packaging, guys. It looks so cute. Okay, and this is gonna be the pouch, okay, that comes with it. And then there's the lip maximizer, and then the lip glow, and then Dior serum, and then the Miss Dior, the little mini one. So that's what comes in there. This one, usually they have one, I think like I think it's just these 2, and these 2 don't come at the end. But yeah, there's different ways that you can actually get the set, different options. Okay, and it looks like this on the side, and it just tells you right there, important warning and whatever. Okay, so let's actually look at the little pouch. Look at that, guys. It's so small. That's the first thing I noticed. It's very small, so cute. It looks like good quality felt material. And let me see. Yeah, it has the Dior on the zippers right there. Okay. Oh, look at that detail right there. That looks so beautiful. Just the gold that pops right there. It doesn't have nothing, just plain on the bottom. Okay. So it looks beautiful. Let's open this up. And very smooth on the zipper too. You guys can see that? Look. So that's nice. Okay, the actual products that come in here. And I'll show you guys the samples right now after this, because I really wanted to show you guys what you guys get. Okay, ooh, so beautiful. Look, right here, you get the Lip Glow Color Reviver Palm. Look at that. So gorgeous. You see, I never opened one before, so. Ooh, look at the color. It's just a balm, so it's not gonna have no color or anything on it. So beautiful. But let me just open it again so you guys can see the packaging so nicely. Look at that. It just pops in. Click sound. Look how beautiful. Dior right here. Engraved. And they like, it pops out too. You can feel it. The lettering. Okay, so we have that. Then now we have the Lip Maximizer. Hyaluronic Lip Plumper. There you go. Look how beautiful. The Dior right here. Inscribed. I don't know if you guys can see that, but so beautiful. Yeah, you guys can. That one. And then you get this one is a serum. The Skin, Dream Skin. Okay. Karen Perfect. This is right there. Age Define Skincare Perfect Skin Creator. The face. So that's nice. And then you get this little tiniest little perfume sample. There is. Okay, the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. I never had that one before. So, see, so cute. Look how beautiful that is. So that's the 4 items you get, and I think we paid around $80 for this. Yeah, around there. Okay, so now that's what comes in here. So let's just put this aside. Okay, for the free samples, got this cute little baggie, and I love to use these baggies for multiple uses, like to carry on your compact mirror, brushes, anything you can use this for. When you go traveling, you can even put right here like the hand soaps, the conditioners, you know, the small travel size conditioners and shampoos. So that's nice. Okay, I got this one for the free samples, the Christian Dior Eden Rock. Let's see how it looks right here. Okay, the little sample. Let me see how it smells, because I never. Smells so good. Love that scent. It smells like a clean scent. So, yeah, very clean, like fresh when you come out of the shower. That's how that smells. This one I have tried it before too, so I think, let me see right here, the notes for it. Okay, the pleasure of wearing the Dior flower right on the skin. A concentrate of flowers and water. Okay, it's nice. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it smells almost close to the same as this one, but a little different notes. So, but they're both clean. That one's just a little bit more floral, the Dior. Okay, and this one, the little box, as I'm telling you, if you put Miss U22 or something like that, the code, you get this little freebie, and it's the same packaging just as the box for the little pouch with the makeup. Look at that. So beautiful. Okay. Let's see what comes in here. So you guys can see that. That was a freebie, so I didn't have to purchase this one. And look at the inside. So beautiful. Okay, the Miss Dior. Just a little baggy side right there. And look at this. Oh, the Miss Dior. The perfume. So this is the one that you get in the packaging, and this one is the one that you get for free. So the Bloom Bouquet was on the pouch, and this one just came for free on this little baggie. So it's the same size, except this one you get it for free. So that's nice, you know. This is the one I actually have in the big bottle. So cute and smells so good. You know, usually they have like floral and clean scents, which those are my favorite ones that I like. So yeah, that was it, guys. Look at even the little stuffing they put right here in the bottom. Like, that's detail right there. You know, and it came nicely packed. with like some type of bubble wrap on the inside of the box before this box came in, but I just threw that away already. But yeah, and it came like around 3 to 4 days almost, so that was a good deal too. It was so fast shipping. So yeah, that's what I got, guys. You guys can see again, I got the 2 samples, the little perfume. Okay, this little perfume right here. So see, this is what the codes helps a lot. You get free items right there. And then I got all of these items inside the little pouch. Let's see, right here. For $80, that was a great deal. Okay. And yeah, that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Just a little introduction to the Dior if you guys are interested in purchasing anything. And I'll see if I can find the link below, the one that I used, so you guys can use it if it's still available, because they're always changing their codes too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, share, and all of the above. I hope this helped, guys. I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.